So pH is it is defined as negative logarithmic value of negative logarithmic value base in base 10 is there to the base 10 of a concentration of ion. pH means hydrogen ion. That means in the formula we can represent this one as pH equal to minus log base 10 concentration of H plus. This bracket is known as concentration of H plus. So pH equal to negative logarithmic value of concentration of H plus. So here H means concentration of H plus. In case of here OH, then here also we can use concentration of OH minus. Similarly, POH equal to negative logarithmic value of concentration of OH minus. Here square bracket indicates concentration. Here square bracket indicates concentration. So suppose they given H plus value, we can find out pH value. If they given pH, how to find out concentration of H plus? So we are modifying this equation as, see this here, 10 power here, concentration of H plus equal to, we are removing log. So removing log means 10 power pH. 10 power pH. But here minus is there, so we can write minus pH. So this is simple formula to find out H plus if they given pH. Suppose if they are given pH value, we can find out the H plus value by using concentration of H plus equal to 10 power minus pH. Similarly, concentration of OH minus equal to, just like above, write down formula 10 power minus POH. So depending upon H plus value, suppose if they given H plus value, we can find out pH. Suppose they given pH value, we can find out H plus value by using this formula. So here, so simple formula is negative logarithmic value of concentration of H plus is known as pH scale. So here base is in log, we are taking in base with 10. So LOG means base 10, Ln means base E. So normally in case of water, for example water, water means formula H2O. So water contains which ions? H plus ions and OH minus ions. So normally for a water, concentration of H plus equal to concentration of OH minus. Both are equal. So what is that value? That is fixed value, 10 power minus 7. So 10 power minus 7 is the fixed value in case of water. So 10 power minus 7 moles per liter. So concentration means units are moles per liter. So concentration of H plus equal to 10 power minus 7 moles per liter. And similarly concentration of OH minus also 10 power minus 7 moles per liter. At 298 Kelvin. So for a pure water, or this is not only for water, for neutral aqueous solution also. Neutral aqueous solution. So concentration of H plus equal to concentration of OH minus equal to 10 power minus 7 moles per liter. For water, what is the pH value? What is the pH value? So we know concentration of H plus is 10 power minus 7. So minus, we can write minus 7 as front, minus into minus 7 equal into log 10 base 10. So minus into minus plus, so 7. log 10 base 10 is 1. So you know this log 10 base 10 is 0, or log 10 base 10 is 1. This is exponents and powers from that formula. We are writing log 10 base 10 is 1. So 7 into 1 is 7. So for water pH is 7. Similarly pOH also similar 7. So for water, if you write pH plus pOH equal to pH value is 7, pOH value is 7. So totally pH plus pOH equal to 14. So in case of water, there is one formula. pH plus pOH equal to 14. pH plus pOH equal to 14. If concentration of H plus ion is 10 power minus 4, then calculate pH. So they given concentration of H plus equal to 10 power minus 4. We know the formula pH equal to minus log concentration of H plus. Then substitute the value minus log concentration of 10 power minus 4. 10 power minus 4. So minus 4 is in a power, so we can write the power in front of log. So minus of minus 4 log 10. LOG means that is base 10. So minus into minus plus. So 4 into log 10 base 10 is 1. So 4 into 1, 4. Next, concentration of OH minus ion is 10 power minus 12. Then calculate pOH. So they given concentration of OH minus is 10 power minus 12. So we know the formula pOH equal to minus log concentration of OH minus base 10. So substitute the value minus log base 10, 10 power minus 12. So minus 12 is in a power. So we can write it on in front of log. So log base 10, 10. So minus into minus plus into 12. Log 10 base 10 is 1. So 12. 12 is the pOH. Next, concentration of OH minus is 10 power minus 11. Then calculate pH. So students observe it. They given OH minus concentration. We have to find out pH. How to find out? So simply concentration of OH minus equal to 10 power minus 11. Then pOH equal to, substitute the value in formula, minus log base 10, 10 power minus 11. So minus 11 we can write in front of log, then log 10 base 10. So minus into minus plus 1. So 11 into log 10 base 10, 1. So answer is 11. So we have pOH 11. Then how to find out pH? Simple formula, pH plus pOH equal to 14. We have this formula already. pH plus pOH equal to 14. We know the pH, we know the pOH value. So substitute that value. pH plus pOH is 11 equal to 14. Then pH equal to 14 minus 11. So answer is 3. So here pH is 3. 3 is the correct answer. If pH of solution is 3. So given data is pH is 3. Then concentration of H plus is, we know the formula, concentration of H plus equal to 10 power minus pH. So substitute the value in that formula. So answer is 10 power minus 3. Then similarly pOH value they given as 13. Then how to find out concentration of OH minus? We have formula, concentration of OH minus equal to 10 power minus pOH. Then substitute that value, 10 power minus 13. So 10 power minus 13 is the answer. Then here next question is pH of a solution is 4. They given pH is 4. Then calculate the concentration of OH minus ion. If we know pH, we can calculate the H plus first. 10 power minus pH. So answer is 10 power minus 4. This is H plus concentration. If we know H plus concentration, how to find out concentration of OH minus? Students, so normally concentration of formula. There is a formula. Concentration of H plus into concentration of OH minus equal to, students, 10 power minus 14. This is formula, students, actually, because concentration of H plus value is 10 power minus 7. Concentration of OH minus is 10 power minus 7. If we multiply both values, we can get 10 power minus 14 for a water. So we know concentration of H plus is 10 power minus 4 into concentration of OH minus equal to 10 power minus 14. So we have concentration of H plus value, then substitute in this given formula, then we can get concentration of OH minus equal to 10 power minus 14 by 10 power minus 4. Then answer is, what is the answer, students? So concentration of OH minus equal to 10 power minus 10. So 10 power minus 10. Actually, students, this is concentration. So write the units, moles per liter. Concentration units are moles per liter.